Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to unbox a fantastic fashion chest bag that's perfect for traveling, hiking, and outdoor activities. We purchased it from AliExpress at an unbeatable price, and you can get it using our exclusive promo code for discounts. Let's see what this bag has to offer. Opening the box, we have the fashion chest bag, which looks stylish and functional. The packaging is simple yet effective. This chest bag has multiple smart pockets for organizing your belongings, including a phone pocket, wallet pocket, and storage compartments. It's perfect for travelers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts. The bag also features a built-in USB cable to charge your phone on the go. The bag's smart storage design allows you to easily access your essentials, such as your phone, wallet, and snacks. The pockets are well-sized and strategically placed for convenience. The bag is made of durable and water-resistant material, making it suitable for outdoor use. The stitching is strong, and the overall build quality is excellent. Convenient. Perfect for traveling, hiking, and outdoor activities. Organized. Multiple smart pockets for easy access to your belongings. Practical. Built-in USB cable for charging your phone on the go. Durable. Water-resistant material and strong stitching. Overall, this fashion chest bag is a great purchase for anyone looking for a functional and stylish bag for traveling or outdoor activities. With its smart pockets, built-in USB cable, and durable design, it's a fantastic value for the price. Don't forget to use our promo code on AliExpress for exclusive discounts. If you're interested in getting this bag, the product link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.